What are your plans after completing day 50 of your self-improvement journey? Ito yung isa sa naging tanong sa sarili ko during my first week dito sa Project 50. Anong next step and anong next goal? I'm more than halfway through this challenge and I'm documenting myself every single day. At sa loob ng 29 days, napakarami ko na kagad natutunan. Isa dyan yung making my daily tasks, kung paano iwiwin yung araw mo. Controlling my emotions, dapat priority mo ang pag-improve kesa dito. Creating my vision board na araw-araw kong tinitingnan. It reminds me of kung paano ko siya matutupad habang ini-enjoy ang process by doing this content creation. And syempre, madiscover mo yung fit na para talaga sa'yo by the help of others. Di ko pa man siya na-achieve ng todo at na-master. I think malaki na rin na naging pagbabago. So ayun, balikan natin yung main topic. What's my next plan after this 50-day challenge? The answer is turning this Project 50 into Project 365. I want to challenge myself at the next level by taking on more advanced projects such as learning a new skill, improving my fitness routine, or starting a side business. At salamat sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta. Mahal ko kayo guys. Ayun lang. This is day 29 of my self-improvement journey. See you guys tomorrow.
When she was just a girl, she expected